Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Ayan, so ito yung aking reading for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat Normal yon, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, kung gusto mo, check mo na lang yung ibang videos natin. Maaring nandyan yung reading para sa'yo. Kung gusto mo naman, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na siya sa Facebook. Okay? Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Kung gusto mo makaranas naman ng palm reading mula sa akin, gagawa ako ng special video ng palm reading mo. Of course, ikaw lang yung makakakita nun. Ikaw lang yung bibigyan ko ng link. Pero, all you have to do is pumunta ka doon sa akin TikTok shop and mag-avail ka ng mga piyaw bracelet kasi may free na palm reading yon. Okay, pampaswerte yon yung mga piyaw bracelets na yon. And may kasama siyang free na palm reading. Okay, para mabigyan ka ng guidance. So, start na natin ang reading. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Let's start your reading. Oh, this is you, the Hermit. Oh, you do have here the Hermit and meron ka ring Justice card. So, pwedeng meron kang Virgo and or Libra sa iyong chart. Check mo yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter sign mo. I want to clarify what's with the Justice card and the Hermit card. Okay, wait lang. Masyadong marami. Kuha pa ako isa. You do have here the Fool. Okay, so for what I can see there, pwedeng, alam mo, puro major arcanas to, no? Puro major arcanas. And nakikita natin, at the bottom of the deck, you do have here the Six of Swords, no? I can see you being very spiritually developed na person. And also, at the same time, I can see you moving on pagdating sa past. Not only pagdating sa love, pero maybe pagdating sa mga whatever past things, past people na dumating sa buhay mo na pwedeng nawala na sila. Pwedeng nakapagpatawad ka na for some of you kung ito yung mga kaaway. Basta whatever happened in the past, you're living it in the past. Okay? Parang inaano mo na. Nililet go mo na. And now you are manifesting the future, manifesting money, abundance sa buhay mo. Yung iba pati sa health, yeah, maybe you are doing something para maging mas healthy ka ngayon. You do have here the Hermit, so what I do like about this is that pwedeng hindi ka masyadong open pagdating sa sarili mo, sa mga nangyayari sa'yo. Wherein, ito naman talaga yung kaugalian mo eh. Like, ito ka naman talaga eh. Hindi ka para baguhin yung sarili mo para sa iba. Okay? And with the Justice card, I feel like pagdating sa career, especially with the Fool right here, yan yung, sige, yun yung, yun yung sagot mo lang. Sige ka lang na sige. Okay, I can see you taking the leap of faith. So, parang alam mo yun, sugod lang ng sugod. Yung parang kahit nasa alanganin ka, maybe you're busy, pero nakarinig ka or may opportunity na nandyan para sa'yo, sige lang. Nandun yung tatalon ka talaga. Susugudin mo talaga. Because that is what you want. Because you're manifesting abundance. Diba? Kahit pa you are in a hermit mode, nakikita natin na tinatry mo yung best mo na maging vacant. You know, even though you're occupied, nakakakita ko ng energy sa'yo na gagawan mo ng paraan na yung sarili mo maging bakante, maging vacant. So, lalo na pag sa usaping opportunities na dadating sa buhay mo, kahit busy ka, kahit tinatamad ka, hindi, tatayo ka, ipupush mong gawin kung ano yung dapat mong gawin dito. I can see you are finding your own balance. Natatry mo ng balanse ng sarili mo, na bibigyan mo na ng time, or nilalagyan mo na ng effort, lahat. So, kaya nakikita natin talagang ang focus mo ngayon is to focus on yourself. At saka ang maganda dito, hindi ko nakikitang pinaghahanapan mo yung iba. Mas pinagfo-focusan mo na lang kung ano yung magagawa at magagawa mo pa. Okay? Maybe in the past, hinahanapan mo ng trabaho or magagawa itong mga tao sa paligid mo. But now, yung mindset mo, nakita natin, nakafocus na lang sa kung ano pa yung kaya mong gawin pa sa sarili mo. I don't feel like you're being overworked here kasi nakakaya mo eh. Nakakaya mo. You are, sabi nga natin, balance. Okay? And pagdating sa love, sino tong person na kakonect mo? Nagamit ako ng ibang card. Pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect mo? For the sign of Virgo, nakakaamoy ako ng ano tawag dito, parang side dish. So, I don't know if you're eating right now or recently lang kumain ka ng something na may side dish. Hindi ko alam kung anong side dish eh, but maybe atsara or hindi ko naman sinabi na ano, pero hindi ko naman sinabi na na kumain ka. Pero sinabi ko, maybe recently, kahit hindi ngayon, kahit itong mga nakaraang araw, pwedeng matagal mo na hindi nakakain yung side dish na yon and then kinain mo siya. Maybe seaweed or something na may vinegar. Okay lang kahit hindi, guys. Okay lang kahit hindi. Ang importante yung reading kung makaka-relate ka. Okay, there's this person. Okay, you do have the Fool. Pareho kayong may the Fool na energy. 8 of Wands. The King of Wands and the 3 of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the 8 of Wands. 8 of Cups. Could be a new person. Pwede rin namang past. Kasi nakakita tayo ng, if this is a new person, definitely there's distance sa inyong dalawa. Pero lagi kanyang iniisip. This person is always thinking about you. Nakakita tayo dito ng passion mula dito sa taong to. Gustong-gusto kanya. If this is a past person, I can see na may family na involved dito sa connection na ito, but this person wants to see you. This person miss you. The past person miss you. And I feel like minamanifest ka nitong taong to because this person wants to see you in his or her future. Okay. Gusto ko niya makita sa kanyang future, like this person wants to hold you. And may pag-iingat dito sa taong to. Okay, sa kung ano man yung gagawin niya or a-actionan niya or i-action niya. May pag-iingat. Kasi maybe natatakot siya sa pwede mong gawin. Dahil maybe something na sinabi mo sa kanya in the past na binabalik-balikan niya yon or naaalala niya yon na sinabi mo to, ganyan. And kailangan niya mag-ingat sa mga action niya or sa sasabihin niya para hindi ka mawala. Because he or she feels like anytime, bigla ka na lang magiging, the hermit here. So, biglang pwedeng manahimik ka na lang or bigla ka na lang mamawala parang bula. Ayaw niyang mangyari yon. Like, okay sa kanya or masaya siyang nandyan ka lang. And then, this person is very maingat. Yun talaga yung nakukuha natin. Very maingat. The past person miss you. Wala siyang pakialam sa mga taong nasa paligid niya ngayon. It feels like this past person is just thinking about you. Yeah. And nakamasid lang siya eh. Just watching you from a distance. And nakakita tayo ng mga like energy na this person is willing to take this leap of faith sa connection ninyo. Parang gusto niya magkaroon ng new beginning sa connection ninyo. And I feel like yung sa'yo, gusto mo lang magkaroon ng new beginning sa sarili mo with regard sa yung career. Pero itong person nito, gusto niyo magkaroon ng new beginning sa inyo. Okay? And, yeah. Ano yung mga nasa isip ninyo sa isa't isa, emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? I will be using a different card for your person then, ha? Wait lang, kukunin ko lang yung card na gagamitin ko. Okay. Wait lang guys, medyo ayusin ko lang. Naramdaman ko yung feeling na ito dapat yung sa'yo. So, ayan. Nasa isip mo at emotions mo towards this person. I don't know, maybe you like dark colors or black. You do have the palm tree. Tapos yung person mo maybe mahilig siya sa light colors. So, pananamit, etc. Palm tree, healing heart, and one more card. Camera. Photograph. Okay. Sa side ng person mo, ano yung nasa isip niya at emotions niya towards you? Okay. You do have your not enough. Stab in the back. Okay. Wedding rings. The runner. And hand of cards. Bottom of the deck is the seduction. One thing is for sure, yung person mo is hindi siya satisfied sa ipinapakita ng other connection sa kanya. Like maybe a third party situation. Maybe a person nakakonect niya ngayon. So there's someone here. Pwedeng may wedding rings or marriage na involved. Pero definitely hindi siya satisfied. For what I can see here, I can see the energy of intimacy. So, pwedeng sa sexual connection nila, your person is not satisfied. I don't know, yung iba sa inyo, wala naman kayo naging sexual connection. Yung iba meron, pero yung iba wala naman. Pero hindi naman siya, I mean, maybe because, for what I can see here, ang energy parang naiinggit siya sa kung ano man yung mga nakakonect mo or relationship na meron ka ngayon. Like, nainggit siya, gusto niya rin ng ganyan. Yung iba yun nga, sexually, nainggit siya sa ganun. And, or, hindi siya satisfied sa person niya because ayaw niya makinig eh. Parang, not happy siya sa lahat. Sa nakikita niya, naririnig niya, etc. This person sees you as someone na some kind of entertainment. So, pwedeng ikaw kasi napapasaya mo siya. Or, happy siya sa connection ninyo in the past. And then this person, more like ito yung may kinalaman doon sa past person connection eh. Pagdating doon sa new person, this person is, I feel like hindi siya fully nagiging honest sa'yo. May mga atake dito nakikita tayo. So, pwedeng may mga hindi siya sinasabing totoo sa'yo. And this person is flirting with you. This is with regards sa new person. Ayaw niya ng advancement for now. Ayaw niya ng advancement or pag-level up ng connection. It feels like gusto ko lang niya because I don't know, wait lang, kukuha ko ng card. Tell me about the new person. Tell me about the new person. Yeah, this person really do likes you. Gusto ka niya pero there's this feeling na parang ayaw niya na magkaroon ng level up ng connection ninyo. Tell me more about this new person. Anong gusto niya? And ano yung tinatago niya na hindi niya masabi? You do have your engagement ring. So, I feel like this person is maybe having another commitment or connection, like another relationship. Pwedeng yun yung tinatago niya. Or maybe yung person that is already engaged. I don't know. It feels like ayaw niyang pag-usapan yon. Definitely, I see you as a person na napapasaya mo lang siya. Na e-entertain mo siya. So, the new person is not being honest with regards sa kung ano talaga yung intention niya sa'yo. With regards to the past person, sige, focus tayo sa past person. Tell me about the past person. You do have here the dragonfly. Ano yung intention nitong taong to? Ano yung hindi sinasabi nitong taong to? One more card. Okay. You do have here girl with a snake, sunglasses, and date. Okay. You do have your lightning. The past person, I feel like interesado siya sa'yo because gusto niya malaman kung ano na ba nangyayari sa'yo. Like, this person wants to, like, pwedeng gusto niya ring i-surprise ka. You know, this person wants to date you. Pero at the same time, gusto niya munang magtago or hindi maging open regarding that sa ngayon. Maybe this person gusto niya muna ng transformation or hindi naman gusto pero kailangan niya muna ng transformation sa ngayon. Ano yung mga tinatago niya? I don't feel, yeah, the karmic relationship is here. Tell me about the karmic relationship. Pwedeng hindi naman tinatago, but rather hindi niya lang sinasabi. This person is dealing with his or her karma, yung past person. But ang energy nito is that it feels like nasa parehong sitwasyon kayo. So, if you are dealing with someone else, ganun din. Yung person na ito is tinatry niyang pilitin kung ano man yung connection na meron sa kanya ngayon. And then, kung ikaw, the same din eh. Yung iba sa inyo na may ka-connect ngayon, tinatry mo ring pilitin yung connection na yan na parang okay na ako dito. So, yung person nito is like pwedeng the past person, pwedeng may connection din na bago. But this person, parang wala lang siyang choice. And then, maybe yung iba sa inyo the same din. Wala ka lang ring choice. For what I can see here, you're trying to free yourself from addiction, obsession, whatever. You're this person na natuto ka na sa mga nakaraan. So, what will happen in the near future for you, Virgo? In the near future for the sign of Virgo, please. You do have like you, self-indulgences here. Date. Okay. Ito, nagkakaroon na tayo dito ng pagkakapare-parehong cards. Mirror is at the bottom of the deck. And can you see this? Parehong mirror yung mga nasa bottom of the decks ninyo. Pero of course, kukuha tayo ng future for your person then. I can see, yeah, this you could be dealing with your twin flame, with your mirror soul, girl talk, love call, heartbroken, the chaser. This person is going to chase you in the near future. Nakikita natin na marami ang maghahabol sa iyo in the near future. Not only twin flame connection, not only the past, there's a new person. And I feel like it is because you are focusing on yourself. The more na nagfo-focus ka sa sarili mo, the more na naa-attract mo yung ibang tao sa future mo. And I can see different connection. I can see 2 to 3 people na makaka-connect mo in the near future, but someone here is really heartbroken. And tell me about this. I'm feeling like a twin flame connection doon sa heartbroken na part na yun. Tell me about this. Why is this person heartbroken? Yeah, kasi tinatry niyang ayusin or magkaroon ng transformation sa sarili niya. But this person has a lot of love for you. Has a lot of yeah, it could be dealing with your twin flame. I told you, pwedeng yung twin flame na ito yung nakakaramdam tayo ng heartbroken na energy. This person is I can see pagkagising sa katotohanan, like some kind of clarity with the sword and rose ang possible na makita niya or malaman niya. Okay, so basta I can see you working on yourself, working on this date, which is nakakakita tayo dito ng mga plano na maybe you are trying to organize yourself in the future. May mga plano na, mga bago na hindi mo pa nagagawa in the past. Natatry mo siyang gawain because you want to experience something new sa buhay mo. And the more na tinatry mong maging masaya sa buhay mo, the more na naa-attract mo yung mga taong talagang gustong maging parte rin ng buhay mo. Okay? So, yeah. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.